Hello, this last part of our tutorial will cover how to set your visibility and set a reminder or notification for your event that you create on Google Calendar. So now we're going to move on to how to change the color. So if you wanted to change the color from purple to red, you can come here where this says select event color, and you would be able to change it to any of these colors that Google gives you. So I'm going to change it to tomato red. And you can see that changes on the big screen as well. And you have the option to change how this event looks. So if it's really busy or if you're free during this event, you can click either of those. Let's say I'm free for this event. You can also change the visibility of this event. So this is how it appears to all of your guests. If you want to keep it on default visibility, just how Google Calendar regularly gives it to you, you can keep it this way, or you can change it to a public or a private event. We're going to keep it at default visibility for this tutorial. And lastly, you can add a notification to alert yourself or remind yourself or your guests about your upcoming event. So let's say I wanted to get a little bit more of an earlier notice than 30 minutes before. So I can come click on this and it will give me all these options on how I can change that alert. So I can remind myself 1 hour before the event starts or a day before the event starts. So let's say I want my first reminder 2 days before the event starts, but that's not an option here. So we're going to click custom and we can custom create a notification or an email notification. Email just automatically sends you an email update or a reminder. In this case, we're just going to use notification and it will just remind you on whatever device you're on, so on your computer or your phone. So we're going to set a notification for, let's say, 2 days in advance. So instead of 30 minutes, I'm going to hit 2. And for minutes, I'm going to change this to days. You have the option of minutes, hours, days, or weeks, however long in advance you would like to remind you and your guests when your event is happening. For this one, let's go with 2 days. So I want a notification 2 days before my event. I can also set another notification if 2 days before my event, I want another one earlier, closer to the time. I can hit add notification under here and add a second notification or a third notification if I would like to. So I can do that by clicking here and I can do the exact same thing as before, click on this and you can time yourself when you would like to know. Let's say 1 hour before I would like another notification and one last notification 10 minutes before my event starts. So you can set up to however many reminders you would like, and you can definitely change that customization as well. So this is how you can create an event on Google Calendar. I hope this helped.